Good evening. My name is Dr. Pravir Kumar. I am an assistant professor at JUT Ranchi. I am here in EV Lab. Thank you ICICI Foundation for providing us EV Lab. The EV Lab is very beneficial for our university students. The graduation students, diploma students are benefiting from this. And thank you ISIE India, our training partner, for training us in this setup. There are various setups which are getting introduced. So we have here wire harness training workbench. We have here Powertrain Systems. We have here electric two-wheeler training workbench system, and we have electric motor system. So our students are getting very good training in EV related machines and EV, and also we are getting information regarding battery system. So I will thank you, the whole team, that ISICI Foundation and ISIE India, for training us. The students from all over the Jharkhand are benefiting from this EV lab. So thank you very much.